Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss Cbse class 9 NCERT Maths textbook chapter 1 number system. We are going to discuss the 17th part and we are discussing the example 9. So in the previous example we discussed about number 1.2727 and so on. So we wrote it to be 1.27 bar and then we converted it into the form P by Q. Here also you have a similar pattern with a slight change which also I discussed in the beginning of the example 8. If you had missed it, you can get back to that and check it out. So now anyhow I will explain it to you once again. So here we are given a number 0.23535 and so on. Here you can see that the number which is repeating is going to be only this 35, that is 35 is only repeating and not this 2. This 2 comes only in the beginning. Okay, so you cannot write it as 0.235 the whole bar, it will be wrong. So your 2 is alone, only 35 is repeating. So you are going to write it as 0.235 which is already given in the question for you. Why I have explained this is because some of you might have doubts why this bar is there for 35 alone. Okay, so now I hope you would have understood why for this alone we have this bar for not 0.2 and only it starts from 35. Okay children, now let's get into the question and let's do the answer which is similar to what we did for the previous example. So what did we do? We will have to check how many digits are there below the bar. Below the bar you have only 2 digits. Remember, though you have 3 digits after the decimal, you are going to multiply it only by 100. Okay, so what do you have? X equal to 0.23535. So you have this 35 alone repeating. So you are going to multiply by 100 on both sides. Multiply by 100 on both sides. So what you will get is 100x is equal to 100 into 0.23535. So what will this become? 23.5353. Okay, so here you have 100x, here you have this. So what did I tell you the next step? We are going to convert it in such a way that you need to have this. So I told you very easily to find this out, you can subtract this and this. So what you will get is 23.5353 you have. Okay, you can write one more 53 also if needed. And I'm going to subtract from this. So you have 0.23553. Okay. So it's going to like keep on repeating only. So it's just repeating. So when you subtract these two, what you will get? You will have 0, 0, 0, 0. So 5 minus 2 will be what? 3. And here you have 23. So you can write this as 23.3 plus 0.23535. Is it clear children? Yes. So you have 100x to be what? 23.3 plus 0.2353535. So what is this? This is nothing but 23.3 plus x. So this is our equation which you are going to solve and find out the answer. So here we know that 100x is equal to 23.3 plus x. So taking this there to the other side, you have 100x minus x is equal to 23.3. Okay, so 100x minus x is what? 99. X is equal to 23.3. Okay, again here you have a decimal. Okay, but that we can do it even later on. So what you will have? X equal to 23.3 divided by 99. Whenever you have a number like this, okay, where you have decimal, here you can't tell that it is exactly of a rational number because we need p and q to be integers, whereas this numerator is not an integer because it is a rational number, it is not an integer. Okay, we cannot say all rational numbers are integers, so we have to convert this again. Okay, what do we have? We have x to be 23.3 divided by 99. Whenever you have numbers like this and you need to convert it into integers, see how many numbers are there after the decimal. In the numerator, 1. In the denominator, you don't have anything because it is understood that 99 is nothing but 99.00. So after decimal, you don't have any number. So you have 1 there. So which is greater of all? 1. So you are going to multiply and divide by 1 followed by the number of zeros pertaining to this. So you have only 1. So you have 1 0. So what you will get is 233 divided by 990. So this is your x, and this you cannot reduce it further. So we are leaving it in this step as the final answer. Is it clear, children? Yes. So be careful with this because you cannot leave it. If you are going to leave the number as 23.3 by 99, the teacher will not give you marks because you are asked to find it out in the form p by q, where both p and q are said to be integers. Is it clear, children? So we'll do a quick recap. So you have 0.235. So you have only two numbers. So you are going to multiply and multiply by 100 on both sides. So you are taking this to be x. So 100x is equal to 100 into 0.23535. So which was 23.535353. So then you converted it by subtracting 23.5353 from 0.23535. So there you got it to be, here you had 0 0 0 3 and then 3 and then 2. Okay, so you got it to be 23.3 plus x. Okay, so then it became 99x is equal to 23.3. Your x is 23.3 by 99. To convert it to be integers, multiply and divide by 10. So your answer is x is equal to 233 by 990. Is it clear, children? Yes. So we have one more example left to solve in this exercise, like related to this exercise. So that we will do in the next video, example 10. Okay. So thank you, children.